All right, well, we're up here at Canyon Lake, Texas, just north of San Antonio near New Braunfels. And we've done this thing annually. It's kind of a Army buddies from back in the day show up, and then my wife, where she works, she's been there 18 years, so she's got a lot of friends that have been friends for a long time. They come up also, and we all get together once a year up here, have a good time. We're staying at the what used to be Fort Sam Houston, MWR, Morale Welfare and Recreation Site. And then on the other side of the road from us is the Randolph Air Force Base, MWR. But now that we're Joint Base San Antonio, it's all kind of one thing. But this is our side. And so we've got, we're going to do a little bit of fishing tomorrow morning, me and Shay. You'll see that. I'll videotape some of that. I'm not sure if I'll be on his boat or if he'll be on my boat. We got both our boats up here. We got them both in slips at the marina, so it's eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Tomorrow we rented one of their pontoons here, plus our boat, so we're going to go out to the cove where it's shallow, get in the water, chill, floats, drinks, enjoy ourselves, so not so much fishing tomorrow. The rest of the folks will be showing up tomorrow. So tonight it's just me and Audrey, Shay and his wife Sarah, and then our friends Johanna and David. And we're all staying right here. All right. They call these cottages or cabins, but they're really, it's a mobile home is what it is. But it's nice on the inside. It's clean, fixed up on the outside. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. That's the only hassle. 3 couples with 1 bath. But other than that, it's a good deal, right? We get to hang out up here. We're gonna so since just 3 couples tonight, we're gonna do some steaks, right, and asparagus on the grill with some sweet potato, something or other that one of David's making, and that's tonight. We're chilling. Tomorrow morning, me and Shay gonna get up early. He's getting some minnows right now. He's out on the water with his boat, showing it to somebody who might buy it from him. And then me and him are gonna run out tomorrow morning and do some fishing. These folks, I don't know what they're gonna do. They're talking about going down to the beach area and hanging out, floating, and enjoying themselves. Then tomorrow, the rest of we got what, 1, 2, 3, at least 4 or 5 other couples showing up, getting these campers. So we're all gonna be out here together. And that's going to be going out on the water Saturday, and then we're going to do a big cookout Saturday night, and then Sunday we pack it up and head back to the casa. So that's what it's going to be. I'll share anything that's cool if we get any cool footage, especially if we get some fish caught tomorrow. We're looking for crappie, but there are some striper here, so we might even do some striper fishing. We'll see. And down around the marina, we just noticed when we've got the slips that there's some big catfish swimming around that mug, so maybe we'll sneak down there at night and so we can't get some of them catfish. So, but either way, I'll post videos and y'all can check it out. All right, we're gonna try this side and see what's going on. Ah, shit, I found the brush pile. Found the brush pile. Ooh, got off of it. Lucky. Oh, John, you big dummy. Tried to rip his damn lips off. I got a pull down over here. As soon as I let down and hit that brush pile, I got it untangled from the brush pile and brought it up just above, and I got a good pull on it. There's another one. Got him. Got you that time, buddy. Oh my goodness. That's what we're here for. You know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to take a good picture of it and I'm going to send it to Joel Willis. Saying you should have been here today. You know how it is? We'll be like, man, if you were there this morning, we would be catching crappie and you were just at home, getting ready still. I'm gonna get a camera out. You gonna take a picture for me, sir? Got him. That's an eater there.
Yep.
Let's see how long he is. See how calibrated my eyeballs are. I'm saying he's 12. Well, no, he's, well, yeah, it's just, yeah, just right about 12, maybe a hair over. Thank you, buddy. He was sitting right on top of that brush pile. I mean, as soon as I let down and I felt a little bit of brush, I brought it up just a little bit and wham, there he is. Waiting for me. I know this is a janky rig, everyone, but it works. Hey, we even got it on video. Good deal. Oh, you got one on. No?
No.
Did he get you? Oh. Oh, you hooked the brush a little bit? You're in the right spot then. Sometimes you just try the other side of the boat. Oh, John, why didn't you bring a net? Didn't you bring a minnow net, John? My phone's supposed to be waterproof, so I'm hoping this rain ain't gonna hurt it none. That ain't much rain. All right, this is a small one. Let's see what results we have with it. I don't feel like that. Put out about 9 foot. Yeah, I might put this bimini up here in a minute. These raindrops are getting a little bit bigger. Yep. Got him. Another one. Look at there. Another purty one. Baby. That's 2. I'm going to take a selfie with this guy. You want to take a selfie with me, buddy? And then I got to send these to Joe freaking Willis. You know his ass going to be out here. As soon as he gets here, he's going to get that boat in the water. There you go. There you go. Oh, man, another nice one. A little bit smaller, but not about the same size as this one. That one's got better color on them. Yeah. There went your minnow. How much longer do you think this rain's going to sit on top of us? It's kind of just stalled out on us, didn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it's piles behind us, but they're not really moving.
I think I'm going to put the bimini up, man. Ugh. It gets in the way a little bit, but for crappie fishing, it's not that big of a deal. We'll just have to stow this piece of junk real good before we leave. Where are you guys at? There you are. I'm going to hand you one, and I'm going to take the other one behind you. The pot's still in fairly good condition. It's just that damn chicken there that holds it. Oh yeah, I sat on a spot I wasn't sitting on. My butt just got wet. Wet ass. Joel's gonna go nuts when he sees those pictures. This time we're gonna go right through here. Okay. 3, 6, 9. Ooh, I seen that little bit of a bow in the. Ooh, tap on mine. Bad they don't have a good cleaning station here at the lake. You know?
I think they have one over there at the pier.
They do have electrical hook up there, and there's a. Ooh, what was that? Brush? Or was that a bite? And there's a. If it's still there, there's like a stainless steel cabinet thing.
Yeah.
And Joel used to fillet his up right there. But about when the fishing was good there, I don't know, maybe 6-7 years ago, before they started moving it around because of water levels, they were gonna build one. They said, and they told us, yeah, it's in the works. We're gonna have one. We're gonna build a cleaning station right there by the fishing pier. And we're like, yeah, that's freaking awesome. And then nope, no, it's never materialized. It never showed up. It never came into existence. Uh-oh. Oh, another crappie. Oh, Joel replies. Let's see what Joel has to say. Shit. I'm just gonna send him laugh out loud. Yeah, old Joel Willis is missing out right now. I can guarantee tomorrow morning when we're all getting the pontoon ready to go and do all that, he's gonna be out here with his boat. Oh, I knew I had something. Oh, no, he's still there. Oh no, he snagged me, that mother humper. All of a sudden my line went completely slack while I'm typing on freaking phone. Yeah, he got my minnow. He deserved it, he got me. I see you moving. Why is my line going sideways? Oh, something is on there. Got something small. Bluegill? No, a small crappie. Alright. We need that. We need to break that little stank we had going for a minute there. Little crappie, but crappie nonetheless. You know, I didn't even see the bite. I just was watching my line start going to the side. And he just grabbed it and swam level, you know. He didn't try to take off with it. Man, you double hooked yourself. What are you doing, fool? Yeah, you got your eyeball. That's not good. I'll repair you with some rusty pliers. At least it didn't get down in you. You should be fine, buddy. There you go. 5. All right, Shay. You need to catch a fish, man. I shouldn't have said I was going to take a picture of you with your next one.
Yeah, you jinxed it.
I know, right? That sucks. If I catch catfish on this lake, it's always a blue or a flathead. I've seen other people catch them, but I've never caught a channel on this lake. A little channel cat eating a minnow. Sneaky bastard.
No, it's not even on the bottom.
Yeah, they'll come up for them. They'll come up for them when they're hungry enough. So you got the first non-crappie, huh?
Yeah.
So maybe the jinx is off, even though it wasn't a crappie, you caught a fish. I'm getting a picture of it for you. That is a nice slab right there. Hold them up a little bit. Oh shit, I got this motherfucker backwards. Smile! Got it. Alright, let's hope that's not just a one dude decided to get hungry. Let's hope it's we're all getting hungry again. We're gonna eat. Cool. Shay broke the snaz. So now you got 4 fish so far, right?
Yeah.
And I'm at 5, so you're only 1 behind me now. My turn. Canyon Lake 2018. Peeps. See how really drowned him? My boat. And then this one we're standing on, we rented from the MWR, it's Memorial Welfare and Recreation Military at Canyon Lake here. And pretty nice little setup. Plan for today is not fishing. Plan for today is floating and enjoying and drinking. And doing all that kind of stuff.
Oh, these two.
Here they come. We've got a couple more boats should be showing up. One is out fishing or lost, and the other one, we're not where we said we'd be, so we're waiting for people to just call us and ask where the heck we are. And then we would tell them. My wife is trying to drown. What is she doing over there? Oh, this is going to make great video, Audrey. Thank you. Hey, remember you used to tell me I'm worth more dead than alive?
Yeah, but I don't think
I got a leg.
No, yeah, she got good insurance on her.
I think it'll be alright.
All right, as you probably tell, we had a good time up there. It's something we do annually, like I said, with a bunch of friends. So I look forward to doing it again next year. I look forward to doing more videos for you. There'll be a button down below, subscribe button down there you guys can click on to subscribe to my channel. And next to it or near it is a little bell looking thing for notifications. You can click on that and it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Probably got another one coming out soon. I'm going to do a solo fishing trip next week, as long as it works out that way. We'll see. I had a couple of issues with that GoPro 4 that kind of upset me. You know, I lost a couple clips. You know, it went from 105 to 108. So 105 was the last part of fishing you saw. 108 was the pontoon scene. So what you missed in 106 and 107 was me and Shay running up the river to fish some more. Real cool drive up that river, and then caught a couple bass and a couple more bluegills. So that's what you missed. And that was just my phone because my coworkers are blowing it up right now. So again, subscribe. If you want to share it, share it. I appreciate that. If you got a comment about what we're doing, how we're doing it, any of that kind of stuff, just write down below. Go ahead and make a comment, and I'll guarantee I'll reply to you, okay? So thanks again, and hold tight for the next video.